How to make infused honey. Infused honey is made with extracted liquid honey and dried flavorful ingredients such as coffee beans, peppers, lavender, or cinnamon. A good starting recipe uses about 2 tablespoons of your flavoring for every cup of honey. Pour your flavoring of choice into the honey and stir to combine. Cover the honey. Let the mixture sit for many days, up to a week. Stir the mixture occasionally, about every other day. The longer you let it sit, the more flavorful your infused honey will be. Once the honey has reached your desired flavor, strain it by pouring it through a sieve. Bottle your infused honey.